In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment to an invoice in accounting. Let's start right from your dashboard. To record a payment for an existing invoice, head over to the Sales section and open Invoices. This takes you to your list of issued invoices, where you can quickly see who owes what and which invoices are still outstanding. If you have a lot of records, use the filters or search bar to find the one you're working on. Taking a moment to make sure you've got the right invoice helps prevent misapplied payments later. Once you've found the invoice you want, click on it to open the detail page. Here you can review the customer, the due date, and the current balance. Confirm that the total and currency match what you expect. If everything looks correct, you're ready to record the money you received. On the Invoice Detail view, look for the Get Paid section. This is where you'll add payment information. Click Add Payment to bring up a pop-up window where you'll enter the details. Think of this as the digital equivalent of writing a receipt. The more accurate you are, the cleaner your records will be. Start with the payment date. Choose the actual date the money hit your hands or your bank, not just today's date. Matching it to your bank statement date helps your reports line up and makes reconciliation smoother. Next, enter the amount received. If you've been paid in full, enter the full invoice amount. If it's only a portion, type just what you received. Akaunting will automatically adjust the balance and mark the invoice as partial, making it easy to track what's still due. Select the payment method. Options like cash or bank transfer give you better reporting later and tell you at a glance how you were paid. This is especially useful when analyzing how customers typically settle their invoices. Choose the account where the money was deposited. Pick the cash account if you were paid in cash or the specific bank account that received the transfer. Selecting the correct account keeps your ledger accurate and ensures your balances are correct across the system. After you've double-checked the date, amount, method, and account, click Save. Akaunting will record the payment and immediately update the invoice status to paid if the balance is zero, or partial if there's still an amount outstanding. You'll see the new balance reflected right on the invoice. That's it. With these steps, you've captured a clean, traceable payment record that keeps your invoicing and reporting accurate.